So welcome back everyone again, Crowon here, and we're going to tackle UCE Click Removal. So this one we're going to get imported in. So natively, uMMORPG does not allow you to click to remove your equipment, and Click Removal is going to give you that ability, just like every other MMO or game out there where you're able to remove your gear by just clicking on it. So we're going to get that in. We don't have any errors, but we're still going to check our README to make sure we have nothing in particular we got to do. So that pops open. We'll open our README and check it. And we do have a core change in here. It's just not game-breaking core change. There's no errors that come up in return. So we can go ahead and collapse this. We're not going to need it open. But we are going to need to hunt down the UI equipment script. So we'll just go into scripts and UI equipment, which is right here. So we'll double click that and get it open. And now we need to find this slot text overlay. Now this is a small script, so it's pretty easy to find. If you need to search for it, you also can use the Control F to find that. So it's right here. And I'm just going to hit enter and get a space underneath it. We're going to copy in our blue text from the modifier and add it in. So now we have our remove equipment item added in there. We'll close that and minimize. Let it recompile because we made a change. And there we go. We can collapse all this up like so. Save our project and we can go ahead and play. Server and play, and click on our player and get into the world. So now we got to open up our equipment, which is the E. I'm going to hit B, or not B, I, to open up inventory as well so we can see it come out. So I'm just going to left click on one of my chest piece here and it's going to pop over. And I can left click and equip it back on. You can do this for all your pieces like so. And it's it for click removal. I'll catch you in the next one.